What's up now? I hope you can see this image. And if you want to create this image like two profile, one is circular profile and one is rectangular profile, and which is inclined here, it can be drawn using this loft or boss command. And this command is also available at the features command manager. So let's see how we can do it. So to do so, I'm closing all this and I will show you again. File, new, part, and OK. Make sure the unit is mmgs. Now first of all, this loft is hidden, so we need a sketch. As previously, we need a path and we need a profile. So click on sketch, select the front plane and click on sketch. Now first of all, make a profile what you want. Likewise, I am using this one and I am making a rectangle. You can change dimension as you know it from a smart dimension tool. Now come out of this sketch environment. Now this is one plane and we need something at some distance here or here backside. So we need to make one reference plane. To make a plane, go to features and go to reference geometry, then click on plane. We have created plane and here is asking first reference, second reference and third reference. So that first reference is or what respect or with reference to what you need to create a plane. I am going to create a plane with reference to front plane at the offset distance. So go to this one, features manager tree, and then click on front plane. Now it is saying fully defined because I have created the first reference as this front plane and I need the offset distance. You can make perpendicular, coincidence, or at angle. You can keep angle value also, but for now, for this case, I need this at offset distance. So I am creating this at offset distance of 100. So click on OK. Now I have successfully created another plane with reference to front plane and at the offset distance of 100. So that select this plane and click on sketch. Now press space and make it normal. Now select a profile which you want to create like this circle. Click on OK. After creating this two surface, this one first, this is rectangle we have created in first plane, and in the reference plane at the offset distance of 100 we have created a circle. Now click on exit sketch. Now go to feature, click on loft and select this profile. You can automatically select, it will automatically select this. Click on OK. If you need another one, like if you need again another rectangle this side, then let's create that. First of all, let's delete this one loft. We'll create it again. Like first plane we have, on the front plane we have this rectangle, then another plane we have this one circle. And now again we are going to create another plane. Click on plane. Now select this plane and offset distance again 100. Okay, let's make this offset distance 100 again. Now select this one plane, go to sketch and click on sketch, space button, and make it normal. Now let's create one rectangle like this. Click on OK. Now come out of this sketch environment. Now go to feature, click on loft and select this profile, and you need to select this also because it is directly going there. You need to select this also and click on OK. As you can see, it is coming and mixing with this circle. It is like a twisted because the rectangle came with and matching with this circle, and again it is going to make a rectangle, so it is being like this. It is being a twisted. If you delete this loft and again if you go and to loft and if you select first this profile and second this profile, then you can make like this, and third this profile, then it will be twisted as you can see earlier. I hope you understood this. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.